In this video, we will learn how to insert blank row in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some name and I want to insert the one row between every name. After this, every name. So I just enter here some serial number 1, 2 and just drag. Just double click on it and it's get up to 590. I have a total 591 row. Okay, so up to 590. Now I copy this serial number, then paste below this. I just paste it, same number. Then I filter this column. First I just enter here serial number. Okay, I just filter this column. Then click on this arrow. Click on the smallest to largest. Okay, that's it. Here you see one row is automatically show here blank. So just delete it and it's ready. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.